Okay, so this week I decided to do a photo shoot using only items from Dollarama. I had no idea where my location was going to be or if this was even going to work at all. So here is the Dollarama photo shoot.
In my head. Yo. Yeah.
I think I see it. Eyes on target.
Far away from home. Imagination roams. Everybody's wrong. Rewrote the song. Thoughts become action. Tell me what's happening. Wish your mind wrapped around. Wish your mind wrapped around. Psyche sabotage. Your Nikes need a job. Portraits in the fog. Filter out the smog. Information log. So fast the past recalls. You back the future stalls. Fade to black the present calls. Pour out some liquor but the homies lost. But the homies lost.
Okay, so what did I get for my money? First up, I got these letters. Pretty sick, if you ask me. Hopefully I can spell something with them. I'm not sure what letters I got. Second up, I got these glow sticks. These should be good for some night photography. And then I got 2 cans of chalk that is spray on chalk. I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but I'm hoping it'll make like a cloud of color in the air. We'll see if it works. It probably won't. I spent $4 on these. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't work, that's sort of brutal. But I mean, what else are you gonna get at a dollar store? Let's go. Oh my god. Perfect. This is perfect. Yep, this is the perfect location. This is actually the perfect location. I cannot believe, I came out here, no idea where I was gonna shoot. I was just like, I might even have to go home and do it in the forest again. But turns out there's a bridge with a ton of graffiti under it, and it's beautiful. It's great, it's perfect, let's go shoot.
Miracles blessing, oppressed with the stressing, forever guessing. Vision blocked, no need for props. The pimpin' stops, plugging and pulling. He love me not. Stay inside the box and safe locked. You won't be mocked, fully stocked of excuses. Doing it is useless, faithless. Popped, the ball was in your hands, slip then drop. I cram to understand your life.
Okay, let's take up Okay, I just took some weird ass selfies with these, just going like that and stuff, trying to just get the eyes peering through here. I'm not sure how they turned out. After a bit of editing, they might look okay, but these aren't really glowing too well, which kind of sucks because that's the whole point of a glow stick. But we're gonna move on to the next thing we bought. I'm gonna try the spray chalk. See how this works. Okay, I just came under the bridge here and I found this shopping cart, so I had an idea. I could prop my phone up on one of these rocks and then spray the spray paint while standing on the cart. We'll see how it looks.
Holding on. Oh no, yes I do. Oh, hip shaking mama, I love you. Oh no, yes I do. Oh, hip shaking mama, I love you.
Okay, so there's some sticks here. So what I'm thinking is if I could get the phone to balance on the sticks, we can get a cool shot of me walking across that. I think this might work. Okay, I've only got 5% left on my phone, so we're gonna end it there. Really fun photo shoot, cool using like just $1 and $2 items. I think it turned out pretty great. Didn't end up using these though, but I do know what they can be used for.
Oh no, be a sign too.